dito na ka.
Pati lang taxi punta kayo rito ha.
Saan daw? Sige. Ayun dito. Ayun. Ala, nasaan na yung mga... Ay. Oo, hindi mo. Ayun na siya. Ay. Hoy, may sasakyan. Hoy, may sasakyan. Siya natatawid. Dito ka na.
Taxi, ma'am.
First meeting ng ano, ng apam niya. Kapatid
Taxi
ko.
po.
I'm afraid that I can't reach you. I can't reach nobody.
Taxi.
How do you go?
Taxi! 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 So sweet. Sana all.
Hanap ka rin, te, para sa anak ko.
Okay lang, kapatid ko na lang mayroon. Mayroon na ako, kaya lang, Bicolano naman akin.
Sasakyan na kayo? Ito dito sa amin lang.
Akin,
Taxi na, ma'am.
naano tuloy yung ibang video eh.
But you said you're gonna record the video.
Yes, how can I do? How can I record this?
Sana all.
I'm sorry.
Oh, may...
Yes. Nagtago ko na siya.
What's so little?
Uh,
Sorry.
Okay, I like it. Something.
Yeah, but
Yeah. But I lost it.
yeah. You did.
I lost it. That's why. But what we gonna do now?
Maybe we have to look for something like that.
Okay.
Pero ganito. Nauna ako.
Ganun parang paano. Thank you.